Whether you like to turn small pieces, longer spindles, or bowls and platters, the Nova Comet II wood lathe from Technitool has all the features you expect from a MIDI lathe, and some that you don't. It comes with a stepped pulley transmission in the headstock, allowing you to quickly change between speed ranges, backed up with a sophisticated electronic variable speed control. Together, the two allow you to choose exactly the speed and torque needed for the job at hand. Set the drive belt to the correct combination of pulleys for the speed range that you need, then set the exact RPM desired using the knob on the electronic speed control. From 250 to 4,000 RPM, the choice is yours. The electronic speed control also gives you the ability to reverse the lathe at the flip of a switch. Simply stop the lathe, flip the switch, and start the lathe back up again. This handy feature greatly improves the finishing of your projects, since working the grain in two directions will improve both sanding and polishing operations, giving superior results with less effort. The headstock of the Comet II is also fitted with an indexing wheel, allowing you to easily lock the head when needed for removing your faceplate or chuck, which may tighten during turning. The indexing wheel is divided into 12 segments, giving you the ability to lock the head in 30-degree increments, making it easy to accurately mark out flutes, beads, or leg positions on your turned piece. The Comet II comes with a standard drive spur and a 3-inch faceplate, and is specifically designed to accept the optional Nova G3 reversible chuck, which mounts directly to the 1-inch 8 TPI headstock without needing an adapter. The G3 chuck is compatible with all Nova, Supernova, and Supernova 2 accessories, allowing you to hold your workpiece internally, externally, or even using the woodworm screw included with the G3 chuck. Whatever holding methods your project demands, the Comet II and the G3 chuck can handle it. Right out of the box, the Comet II has a spindle turning capacity of 16.5 inches long. But if your turning demands more length, there is an optional add-on bed extension, increasing the capacity of the Comet II by more than 24.5 inches. Whether your turning is going to involve pens and small pieces, bowls and plates up to 12 inches in diameter, or legs and spindles as long as 16.5 inches, the Nova Comet II wood lathe is an excellent choice, meeting your basic needs in a compact footprint while allowing for expandability. Learn more about the Comet II, the G3 reversible chuck, and all our great products by visiting our website.
Make any place your workspace with the Craig Track Horse. This sturdy, versatile, and portable work support makes it easy to set up a workspace anywhere and then store it compactly away when not in use. The steel and aluminum track horse is packed with features that take it beyond the capabilities of an ordinary sawhorse to provide solid support for a variety of DIY and woodworking tasks. Those features start with sturdy, adjustable legs. They fold out and lock in place securely and can be set at 6 working heights to match your needs and your tasks. The legs also fold completely away, which allows you to set up a handy ground-level work platform. With the legs folded, the track horse is also easy to transport to wherever you want to work. Built-in dual-mode clamping adds even more versatility. With the included Craig bench clamp, you can hold items in place in the long track or place the clamp in either end of the track horse for secure vise-style clamping. And thanks to Craig's AutoMax auto-adjusting technology, you never have to readjust the clamp when you move from one material thickness to another. In addition to holding the clamp, the track can also be used to mount a sacrificial cutting surface on top of the track horse. Simply attach the included bushings to a 2x4 and then slide it into the track. Now you can cut without worrying about damaging the track horse or your saw. When you want more room to work, you'll appreciate how easy it is to create an expanded workspace. Pair 2 track horses together using the included support brackets and ordinary 2x4s, and you can create a large cutting platform that will support long boards and heavy plywood sheets easily, so you can cut safely and more accurately. Or reposition the brackets and 2x4s and you can span between 2 track horses with 3/4 inch plywood to create an extra large work table with built-in clamping. That means you can create a big workbench and a sturdy one that can hold up to 2,200 pounds. The track horse also pairs with the Craig Mobile Project Center in the same ways to give you even more options for creating a sturdy and versatile project workspace that's packed with features. Visit us online at craigtool.com and learn more about the track horse, as well as our other Craig workspace solutions, so you can create every project with confidence.
While the F-style clamp is certainly one of the most useful and versatile available, there are certainly some clamping applications that make it difficult to get a good grip on the handle. Bessey's innovative GearKlamp is the solution. While functionally the same as an F-style clamp and priced to compete with typical one-handed clamps, the handle has been moved to surround the clamp bar, while still operating the Acme screw at the end of the arm. What makes this possible is an innovative gear train sealed within the clamp arm, allowing for the Acme screw to be operated remotely, a feature not found on any other clamp. This means that in tight locations where an F-style handle may be obstructed, the handle of the GearKlamp is outside of the working area, allowing for a proper grip and reliable clamping. In addition, the arm of the gear clamp features a clutch mechanism, which allows the arm to be closed with just a push, then released with a simple trigger, allowing for presetting the arm position when needed. The unique gear clamp comes with a protective pad for the jaws that is easily removable, exposing the molded-in clamping grooves. There are many situations around the shop where a clamp needs to be applied in an obstructed area, and the first of its kind remote handle of the gear clamp allows for a full application of the clamping force in these situations. The gear clamp can be had in 6, 12, 18, and 24-inch clamping capacities, all with a throat depth of 2 3/8 inches, and provides clamping force up to 450 pounds. They're lightweight, with even the 24-inch capacity clamp weighing in at just over 2 pounds. Used alongside your existing F-style clamps, the versatile gear clamps from Bessie are a cost-effective addition to your shop.